Hello, I hope you are doing well. Now welcome to my channel. Today I will show you step by step on how to create this amazing modern typography social media post in Adobe Illustrator. Now let us get started. First, go to Files, then create a new file. Go to Rectangle Tool and create a rectangle above. Choose your favorite color, but I'm going to leave a black color. Then go to Type Tool and create a text. Expand your text. Go to Type, then create outlines. Expand again your text, then align to the center. Go to Line Segment Tool and draw a line across the text and the rectangle below. Duplicate the line and lock. Go to Text. You may also lock the text. Then group a rectangle and line together. Go to Shape Builder Tool, select, then change color to red. Then unlock the text and line. Go to red rectangle and black. Group them and unlock. Group the text and line. Go to Shape Builder Tool, then change color to black. Then drag as follows. Then group a black text, separate the white text. Yes. Then go to Files, then place your image, a PNG image. Then go to the rectangle, unlock, and go to the black. Also, you may ungroup. Go to the black and duplicate. Then bring the PNG image in between two black color. Then mark both above rectangle, black rectangle, and the PNG image. Then, then press to the center. Group both above rectangle and the PNG image, then clip mask. Then go to Ellipse Tool and create an ellipse. Use red color. Then bring the shape below the subject. And try to match the color of crosses and the color of these shapes. Then create another text here below. This time choose Montserrat, then justify with the last line. Change color to white. Well, now create a rectangle, then go to Effect, Distort and Transform, then Pop. Yes, it's enough. Then go to Effect, Distort, then yes, this one, color balance. Then if you are finished, group them and go to Artboard, then duplicate Artboard. Yes, let us go back to layer and lock the first layer, ungroup this layer and also delete clipping mask, then delete the subject. Go to Files, then press Files or Image, then bring the subject in between two black shapes, then mark the shape above rectangle, shape 1 above. Now mark the subject and this shape, then clip mask, just bring below this shape. Now we have to match the background with these clothes. Let us change the color of this shape. Let us change to white. Let us change this red to white. Change the text to green. Soon I'm going to upload the video on how to change the color of these clothes. I hope by doing so you will be notified. Now if you are not subscribed my channel, make sure you subscribe, then you'll be notified after uploading any video that I'll be dropping every week. Thank you for watching my video. See you until next time. My name is Boniface and here is my camp of creatives.